Okay, guys, I actually got this thing to work now. Hopefully you guys... Can you guys see now? Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. So sorry for the confusion. I do apologize. It did work for the first couple of minutes. I do not know why it... Can you see now? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. I do not know why... Okay, so if we go to the radar, you can see very heavy rain in parts of Texas. And then you can see that little... Let me zoom in. It's not focusing. Is it clear or is it a little blurry? It's clear. Thank you so much. All right. So as you can see, there's if you go to the next 12 or 18 hours, you can see a mix right here in parts of Tennessee. Let me actually do that again. Like just by west of Little Rock and north of Memphis and Tennessee or Nashville could get some hit by a little bit. Just some heavy snow there in parts of North Carolina. Okay. So heavy snow there, parts of North Carolina. I would actually go to the snowfall now. Snowfall. So up to 3 inches in parts where I live. You can see up to, in this, if I circle this, that means you need to prepare if you are in this circle. This area, if you are in this area, you guys need to prepare now. What is the weather? Hold on, it disappeared on me. What is the weather? Well, what is the weather will happen on Monday for, just want to make sure. Monday for Atlanta. Let me go back to that radar. Let me just get out my pointer. There we go. Let me go to Monday. Monday, it will be quite rainy for Atlanta, for the Atlanta area. It will be quite rainy. Let me actually try to go to the southeast area. Yes, it will be quite rainy for the Atlanta area for this whole weekend. Going to Tuesday. Sorry, guys. I actually got to figure out how to film this thing better, because my phone's kind of trash. If we go to the tropical tippets, you can actually see some heavy snow in parts of the Carolinas. Very heavy snow in parts of the Carolinas. So let me just circle this area, because you probably can't just see because my trashy phone. Right there, some heavy snow in the Carolinas. The cold air will just bring that moisture of cold air, and then the coast, Gulf, will bring some warm air, so it'll bring heavy rain for these areas. And it will be cold side, and it will be the warm side here. So whichever side you are on, you will get rain or this is helpful, and I hope this computer screen isn't as bad. Because it looks kind of bad right now, this screen. Let me just zoom out. Or that won't help. I think that's a little helpful. So let me actually go now to the weather service. If you look in this area right here, if you are in this pink, if you're in this pink right here, that's a winter storm warning. So you need to worry about that. A winter storm warning. That can bring up to 2 inches or locally 5 inches of snow. Depends where you are. In this big area, purple, that's winter storm watch, or I believe it's winter storm watch or advisory. Let me actually check. It is winter storm watch. So that's basically saying you need to watch out for the area. And you can see Atlanta's actually under 2 advisories. One's a wind advisory and another one's a flood watch. So we have to watch out for this. And then over here in this area, Louisiana, or in this green right here, if you see green, that's actually flood watch because very heavy rain. Because if you go back to the models, you can actually see very heavy rain in parts of Louisiana, southern Georgia. Look at this, heavy rain. It's going to be very wet, and especially with the wind, it can bring down some trees. And alright guys, do not forget to like and subscribe. If you are, thank you so much for subscribing. If not, I don't think anybody new's here because they probably don't know who I am, and they probably look at this and see it's trashy. But I'm hoping I can get a better set to screen, so you can just see very heavy snow in those parts of areas. If we go back to actually, you can see how it just intensifies very fast. Like in 24 hours, look at the Carolinas actually. Just see how up to 3 inches in that area. And then if we go, look, 5 inches in 12 hours. And then it just intensifies and it won't stop. Up some snow there in parts of the coast. You know, it's iffy. There. Over here in these areas, up to it. Why does this thing keep on moving? So, you know, some snow possible for the coast, but it'll just be like half an inch. But in here, we gotta watch out for this area. So that's very heavy snow, guys. If you guys have any questions, I will be free to ask or answer, or be free to ask. My computer's probably making it look a little blurry or something. So be free to ask if you have any questions. If we actually go to forecast models, let's see how much snow it shows for this area. So after it passes, you know, some snow there, parts of South Carolina. So let's actually go to the regions, southeast. So look at that, just heavy snow just hitting Raleigh and all those areas. Sorry guys about my voice. I actually just woke up like an hour ago. And if we go precip and moisture, total snowfall, up to 11 inches in these areas. 13 by Raleigh. Actually, Raleigh can get 13, and then just east you get 3 inches. That's how you can see the warmth of the air. Just who else is on here, guys? I want to know if anybody's on here. Because if not, there's actually no point of me going live because nobody's actually watching. So just let me know if you're here. And then, so you can see how Raleigh's like right here. And how the warm and the cold air, warm, cold. You can see just west of it, you can get 3 inches. Or just east of it, you can get 3, and then just... Hi, PJD4791. Hope you like this. Okay, cool. Whether you actually are here. Sorry for the computer shaking. It's just my computer's on a little. It's on a little like base, so it's moving a lot. But be free to subscribe to my channel. I'm actually almost at 180 subscribers, so close to 200. And once I get to 1,000 subscribers or something, I will probably get better. I was watching channel 2 and there's, hold on. I was watching channel 2 weather, and they're showing not even a dusting for Hall County and Banks County, even though there is a warning. Well, but that's also for the ice. Thank you for subscribing yesterday. Thank you so much. So actually it's because there's a lot of models. Sorry for this. It's been asking that. There's actually a lot of models though, because one of the models actually showed 3 inches, and I actually saw Channel 5 news, and it showed up to 1 inch for those areas, and also the winter storm warnings also for the wind and for the ice, for how much ice, not just the snow. But yes, they actually can get snow. Let me look at this. Okay, Banks County. Banks County is right there. Oh, no, Banks County will get snow. So will Hall County, especially northern Hall County. Trust me, they will get snow. So, and look, over here, it shows for Banks County up for 3 inches in this model. Even the northern part can get up to 4 inches right there. I'm actually going to get a mouse later today, so it'll be a lot easier. I'm actually going to move my computer, guys. So, well, that was bad. There we go. He won't be shaking anymore. There we go, guys. Sorry for the noise. I have a lot on my desk. I actually have a desk on my bed. It's pretty cool. There we go. Shouldn't be shaking anymore. Yeah. Snow day for some on Monday? Yes. There could be snow in areas. Let me actually go to the radar. There actually could be snow for parts of northern Georgia. South Carolina could actually get that back storm snow. So this is... Oh, sorry. Wait, so will Memphis get some snow? Yes, they will get some snow. They actually could get up to 1 inch. I will show the radar for Memphis later. Hold on. So here you can see very heavy snow, but you're looking for Monday. Monday you can see some snow there, parts of North Carolina, and it goes in South Carolina. It's gone. But maybe some. I'm hoping that I get out on school Monday. Yes. Depending where you live, you can get out of school, especially for the ice and freezing rain. I actually might get out of school because I'm under a winter storm warning, and what you're thinking for Charlotte, North Carolina? Okay, Nick Dyson. Yes, Charlotte could get some record-breaking snowfall. So if we go to the radar right now, you can see some heavy snow for Charlotte, just in between that snow, and then then that heavy snow for Charlotte, and then it goes off. But let me actually go to snowfall. Charlotte, okay, that can be close to record-breaking snowfall. Sorry guys for my voice. Charlotte, I believe, can get up to, don't get me wrong. I believe Charlotte is over here. Right here, can get up to 12 inches or something. I believe that's where they are. Tell me if I'm wrong. But Memphis, yes, Memphis will get snow from this storm, but not much. So if I go back, yes, look, they can get up to all the way from a trace to an inch and a half. Yes, you're probably excited for that Charlotte snow. Charlotte's actually under a winter storm warning. So am I. So winter storm warning. Let me click on that, and I'll read it for you guys. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let me go to the North Carolina part. Oh, this is what it says. Wait, because that's for Georgia. It won't be the same. North Carolina. Virginia. I see a lot of South Carolina. Don't see that much of North Carolina. Tennessee. All right, I'm just gonna read one from South Carolina because that could be one of the closest ones to you. I cannot see. Let me go all the way to the bottom. Raleigh, North Carolina, just north of you. A developing winter storm will spread heavy snow and ice across central North Carolina tonight and Sunday. Some wintry precipitation may linger Sunday night into Monday. So actually, you could miss school on Monday because there will be half a foot. All right, here it's heavy accumulations of snow expected late tonight and Sunday, with snow, sleet, and freezing rain possible Sunday afternoon, mainly southeast side of the Strait. Total snow accumulation up to 7 to 12 inches. I'm in college, bro. We don't have school. Oh, well, sorry. I do not know why I assumed you were in school. But if you don't have school, you should do a live stream moment stream. Actually could. But yes, still some heavy snow to go to college. That might be a problem, up to a foot. 7 to 12 inches. So yes, Charlotte could get record-breaking, or not, if not record-breaking, close. Charlotte, let me actually go on this small. Yes, up to, I believe Charlotte is right here, near this area. If you guys, just if you haven't already, please subscribe. So yeah, Charlotte could get record-breaking snowfall. But the area I want to keep a close eye on is near Boone, where they can get up to 28 inches of snow. And that's why, because let me actually draw a little. It's because Boone's in the Appalachian Mountains, so if we draw mountains, there won't be any snow like here in the bottom. There will be, just a couple inches there. But the most snow will be like on the top of the mountains, or yeah. And it will stick a lot because the higher elevations, the colder it is. Do you play Fortnite? What model is this? Hold on. I believe this is the European. Let me actually try. This is the European right now. Alright, yes, this is the European. It actually shows more snow closer to Atlanta. So we gotta keep a close eye on that. I'm gonna take that as a no. Sorry, I do not play Fortnite. I actually play Call of Duty though. I actually got Black Ops 4, the new game. This model actually shows a lot more snow going to Virginia. Up to here, 8 inches, but look at this, 16 inches. Some models don't even show snow for Virginia. comment to me below, guys. If just ask me questions if you want. It shows less snow for this area near Banks County, whoever that is. Shows less snow for you, and it actually shows less snow for Hall County, which is me. I will go to see what the GFS model's up to. Whoa, this is a long time. Okay, you can see more snow south in Georgia, and you can see a lot more snow near Clemson, up to 4 inches. And this is, so it shows a lot less snow for Boone, shows like up to 13 inches, while the other one showed 28. Shows a lot more snow for Raleigh, up to 12 inches there. I just want to thank you guys for watching for this live. You probably don't even like it because my computer is really bad. But when this first, it actually shows a lot heavy snow coming in earlier, up to 7 inches in parts of just on Sunday morning on parts of Georgia. Oh, sorry for moving that. Let me know if you guys are under a winter storm advisory, watch, or warning. I'm actually currently in a warning. I feel bad for the people in Atlanta, though, because they're kind of missing out on this, not historic storm for Georgia, but for the Carolinas. Actually, let me go back to the other model. This one actually goes to 90 hours. So you can see, this one actually shows some more snow there for parts of Virginia, instead of up to 21 inches parts of Virginia. So guys, we have to watch the Virginia, because some don't even show snow for Virginia. Some they do an inch. Some show 19, some show 21. We need to keep this keep a close eye on this. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. So close to 180. So let me know if you are under a winter storm watch, advisory, or anything. Because I can actually tell you, if you tell me your area and what you are under, I can read it for you if you want me to. So GFS model shows about some heavy snow for parts of Virginia, but like I said, some show less snow than 21, up to 9. Chad Crawford, thank you for coming. I had a dream last night. It got extended to Alabama border, west, and from just north of Atlanta. Okay, these dreams you are having. I don't know why you have all these dreams so vividly. Like the 2 boxes one yesterday, wasn't it like this? I saw your video. It was like this, right? Black box, 2 boxes or something. Like I don't know, man. I think you dream like what you see or what you think is gonna happen. Like it is getting closer to Atlanta, but it won't hit Atlanta. Too warm, but the part is it won't hit the Alabama western. So that is a problem. Let me actually try another model, guys. This model shows a lot more snow for one of the southern states. So yes, you can see. How do you draw on the screen? Okay. So there's this app. It's called Epic Pen. It is on the internet. Right, but one over Georgia was further west. Well, on this model, it does show some snow for here on the west. Hold on, guys. My mom's calling me. Yes? Okay. Yes. Okay. Love you. Sorry, guys. It's my mom. It was my mom. So cool weather, yes, it's not an app. If you go to the internet, here, let me show you. Well, it can be an app. So if you type up Epic Pen, it's actually free, and it allows you to draw. And then you just download it for free, and I have it. So once you press on it, you can actually get it, and you can draw on it. So yeah, you can see some other models shows 15 inches there. Chad Crawford, I actually like your channel. Let me go to regions. It won't let me go in Southeast here. I do not know why, but it allows me to go in the. Oh, why am I going out? What? So yes, this model actually just does show snow for Atlanta, but I do not believe this model. Honestly, I do not know why they say up to like 5 inches in Atlanta and snow down here. Because that's not even gonna happen. Atlanta's not even getting snow. They won't even get like a little sleet. Yes, there actually is winter advisories across parts of Georgia. Let me actually go to the National Weather Service. Let me get out of here. So yes, this color right here, it is a winter advisory. Let me circle it for you. Try not to get the winter warnings. This color, grayish color, or brownish color, that is a wind advisory. So thank you. You're total welcome, cool weather, and thank you for your awesome forecast. I want to give a shout out, guys, to cool weather. He does awesome snowfall totals. He actually taught me how to do them, so I want to give a shout out to him. He's amazing. He's so close to 200 subscribers like me. I believe he's at 170, or am I mistaking him with somebody else? Later this week, there's another potential snowstorm. Yes, there is. I actually saw it on this thing. I do not want this dot. Okay, good. So as you can see, the storm stops, and then you see some more snow. So this is Monday. The storm's over. You can see some more snow in areas. If we go to so this is Friday, Thursday, some storm in Missouri, but oh yeah. You actually are. Oh my gosh. I did not. This. Holy cow, guys. This storm right here. It's actually going into Alabama, southern Georgia. Holy cow. I actually did not pay attention to the storm. This shows next Saturday. Look at this. Some storm for parts of Georgia and Kentucky. It's going to Alabama too. Remember, this is still a week away, but it's a humongous storm. I actually did not see that. Thank you, history and alternate history. I dreamt 11/8. Alright, we actually got to keep an eye on that storm. It will hit Atlanta if it hits. It can hit. Only the GFS is showing it. Oh, let me actually go to another model, though. But we have to keep an eye on this. It actually hits Atlanta. It's supposed to hit me, too. And it's still hitting me there. Wow. Okay, we actually got to keep an eye on that next week. Okay, let me actually go to another model, see what they show. If you haven't already, please subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. So here's the storm right now. You can see up in 24 hours, so exactly a day from now, you can see the storm mixing in Oklahoma and Arkansas right there. I hope you guys are liking this model. And yes, there actually is a potential snowstorm for the southeast next week. Good eye on that. Because I did not pay attention to that far. Gotta wait for this thing to load. See what this one shows. Wait, so much snow will Memphis get? So how much? Memphis? They could get a good 15 inches, but that's the maximum. I don't think any more. But there actually is a potential snowstorm for next week, guys. Let me go back to the model, show you guys, whoever missed it. If we go to GFS model, yeah, the GFS model is pushing it more south. So this is the storm right now. It hits the Carolinas. Heavy snow in parts of the Carolinas. Right here. Wait. Right here. Heavy snow there. But let me go back. So if we go to the next weekend, there is a potential heavy snowmaker for the southeast. It goes in Missouri, you see it, and then it just stretches south. Look at that. Parts of Alabama. All right, this is what day? This is Friday. This Friday. Look at this. It stretches all the way to Illinois to southern Alabama. Montgomery might get something. If it will snow next week, but I take finals. So Memphis could actually get hit by the storm. Depends how cold it will be, but if it's showing snow going this south, it must be very cold. And then this one actually goes in the Alabama, but remember, it's still a week away. Who even knows if this is real? Hits the Atlanta area. I'm getting hit. Montgomery's getting hit. This could be the next Benji storm. Guys, this will be incredible if the southeast gets hit by 2 storms. But no, this storm will actually not hit the Carolinas. It will be too warm because it just rained there in parts of the Carolinas. And then it just goes. And this could be a nor'easter. I have 9 days left of school, and if it snow, we will have to do back during Christmas break. You mean 9 days of school left till winter break, or? Because I have 6 more days till winter break. School days. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Let me actually go to it for I can see how many subscribers I'm actually at. So do not forget to subscribe. Let me go to YouTube. But if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm at 179. Thank you guys so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe at 179. Thank you so much, guys. So please do not forget to subscribe. In Memphis could get some snow in the next 60 hours. It most likely will be Memphis can get snow in the next 24 hours. And then it would just, yes, it would just go all over the place. But if that storm actually happens, there can be windstorm warnings all the way down here. Sorry, if this storm actually does happen like it's supposed to, Carolinas will not get hit by the storm. So that's kind of good because the areas that are supposed to get snow for the next storm really didn't get hit by the storm of this week. So we got to keep a close eye on that storm. So yes, this is what this model says, but I do not believe this because it shows snow for Atlanta, and Atlanta won't get snow because it's too warm. So let me go to the next model, GFS. Yeah, you can see the humongous difference in my in that model. So these are the warnings, or these are the advisories. Let me press on windstorm warning. Yes, I am under. You see this county right here? Hold on. You see this county right here I'm pointing at right here? This big one. That's actually my county right here, northern Georgia, northeast Georgia. Let me actually read. I'll read it for you guys. Wait, winter storm warning. Let me see if I can find Gainesville, Georgia, because that's on. Yes. So I still am not gonna say anything about this storm. It's supposed to be next week. Okay, this is for Georgia. I'm not gonna read all the cities. I'll just say know some. I will say some. I actually know some of these cities. Blue Mountains Shelter. Yes, that will get hit pretty hard. 5 points to Dahlonega. Yes, Lumpkin County. Lumpkin in Gainesville. That is me right here. Well, I'm actually not in Gainesville. I'm just south of Gainesville. Where's Gainesville? Right here it is. Gainesville, Georgia. Right here. And guys, if I get to 300 subscribers, I will do some shout outs, but I just want to get to 300 subscribers first. My county is small compared to yours. Aren't you the Banks County one? Let me read the one for Northern Georgia if there's any Northern Georgia people here, like me. This is for the winter storm warning. So it goes from, let me see some counties in Georgia. Banks, it goes through White County, Hall County, Rabun County. I'm in Gwinnett. Ooh, Gwinnett, you're just south of me. Gwinnett won't actually, Northern Gwinnett County will get up to an inch or so. So if you see, here's Gwinnett County. Let me circle it. I'm in Hall County, so I'm just north of you. So Gwinnett County is right here. Yeah, so Gwinnett County could get up to, an inch or half an inch, but most likely ice. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, I will answer them. So National Weather Service, let me read it. Winter storm warning remained in effect from 10 p.m. this evening to 1 a.m. So that's me. Heavy mixed precipitation is expected. Total snow accumulations up to 3 inches with higher amounts in the highest elevations. And ice accumulating around 3/10 of an inch expected. Some sleet may also occur when gusts up to 35. So this is what we gotta worry about. This is what I'm scared. I'm not scared. This is what we need to worry about. Even though it's not just Georgia, it's South Carolina too. Tennessee, 35 miles per hour wind. If you guys are getting rain or snow or ice, that wind's not going to help. That's actually going to bring down trees because, let's say Atlanta, they're getting just rain. No snow, no sleet, no freezing rain, nothing. So, talk more on next week when there might be, we not sure about the storm next week. Doesn't even show snowfall yet on the radar yet, or on the snowfall totals. It just shows it. And that's just the GFS. The European that shows it more north. So I'm not sure it's even gonna happen. But whenever, let's say Atlanta, they're getting rain, heavy rain. So when the wind, the soil's already wet. So when that, let's say 30 miles per hour wind, that helps the trees fall down. And that's also in the mountains, that's anywhere, because the ice makes the trees heavy and the power lines heavy. And with that wind, it makes the tree heavier and heavier, so it makes it fall down. It can possibly fall down on power lines, which also has ice on it. If you go, it's actually a thing. If you go from one pole to the other, it's up to 500 pounds of ice. Last year, this time, I would be getting out of school for the snow last year. Me too. Winter Storm Benji actually got out around 12 o'clock. So yeah, I was already out. Oh yeah, exactly a year ago, Winter Storm Benji came. But tomorrow it'll be a year until when I actually got 5 inches of the storm. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I have 179. I'm hoping to get to 200 by before Christmas break, which is in 8 days for me. No, 7 days. Exactly a week. %. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me actually go to this possible storm next week. So here's the storm right now. Heavy snow mixing just little rocks, so we gotta worry about that. A lot of car accidents. And then if we go to next week, this Thursday, you can see the storm starts to go in parts, the most northern parts of Mississippi. And then, look at that storm, guys. That's hitting the southeast. It went hitting Montgomery, Atlanta. It's hitting Hall County. That's me. So if I get 2 snowstorms in 2 weeks, that will be amazing. Thank you, El Nino. We almost got out too late since by the time I got there, it was already a good amount of snow on the ground. But when I got out of school, there's about just 2 inches. So that's actually not bad for Northeast Georgia, but for South Atlanta. So hitting northern Mississippi, Arkansas, it's not a huge threat to Little Rock. Little Rock will just get some rain. It's not just a little sleep, but look at that monster storm. And then it can hit me. It's hitting me there for a while. But that's still 156 hours from now. That's a week. So I really don't know if that's going to happen. But yeah. So don't forget to hit that bell so you guys can get instant notifications. I will circle it for you. Hit that bell, guys. Get instant notification when I make a video. So I want to give another shout out for David Schlotthauer. He actually is my best friend. He's really cool. So he's at already I think 11,000 subscribers. Let me go here. Guys, he's at 10,394 subscribers. He's going to go live at 2 o'clock, so don't miss that. I won't. So go ahead and subscribe to him. So if you guys have any questions for the storm, 108 subscribers now, bro. I do? Let me refresh this page. I probably did not refresh it. Thank you guys so much for 180 subscribers, guys. That's amazing. Thank you guys so much. So if you guys have any questions, I will answer. So just ask me any questions about the storm, or just ask questions about me or anything. But this storm could bring a lot of ice for parts of Memphis. Can get some snow there and some now and then. But I'm just worried about the Carolinas because they can't handle 2 feet of snow. Like, they can't even handle 4 inches. That's not criticism because neither can. It's not just Carolina. It's southeast. They don't have the roads meant for it. But we gotta watch out because parts of, I think Virginia actually can handle that snow though. But we gotta watch out. Let's actually go to Tropical Tidbits so we can go to the radar again. Biggest snow I remember was in 2014. Yes, Snowmageddon. Snowmageddon was in 2014. I know, right? First hurricanes, now snow. Yeah, think about it. Just a couple of months ago, we were actually talking about hurricanes hitting the Carolinas at a Category 4, then it turned to Category 2, and now we're talking about potential blizzards. So guys, do not forget to like, subscribe. Let's see how many subscribers I'm at. Alright, 180, that's still good, but just ask me any questions if you have any. So let's go back to this timeline. So yeah, about a couple inches for me. It's actually raining pretty hard right now. I'm probably going to end this live in 15 minutes. So if you have any questions, go ahead and ask. So do not forget to like, subscribe. Right here, there's some wind advisories. Let me see, because that goes all the way southern Georgia. Wind advisory there. Let's see how much wind it's talking for, or what it's talking about. A lot of counties there in Georgia. Look at all those counties, guys. That's all the counties. or some cities and counties. So winds northeast 15 to 25 miles per hour with wind gusts at 35. Wind will make driving difficult, yes, especially with the wind. But if you are in northeast Georgia like me, it can be snow and freezing rain. So the wind won't make it better because it will make the trees heavier and heavier, and then the trees fall down. So we gotta keep an eye on that wind. You're probably just thinking, hey, wind, whatever. I can deal with 50 miles per hour wind. Well, let's say it was dry. Let's say you didn't get any rain in that time. But since it's gonna be very wet, it makes the soil really wet. So when the wind, it just pushes the tree and that's what happens with the hurricanes. The trees, it's not just only because it's 200 miles per hour wind or 175 or whatever category it is. It's also because how wet the ground is, and it makes the trees fall down. And also, especially if you are in this area, I want to circle this area right here. If you are in this area specifically, right here, that's also because the ice will make the trees heavier and can cause power outages because it could fall down, the trees. So let me know if you guys have any questions. If I get to 300 subscribers, I will do shout outs. So just let me know if you need a shout out, and I will hopefully get to 300 soon. So some snow there, parts of the coast or near the coast, but nothing really, just a couple inches there, not even inches, just like half an inch. So I'm currently under winter storm warning now, mostly because of the ice, not just the snow. Let's refresh this page. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. There's my live, so just be free to tell your friends that I'm live. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining this. Hope you guys had a wonderful day. I might know NFL teams impacted. Carolina is on the road this weekend. Well, the thing we might have to worry about is the MLS Cup in Atlanta. The snowstorm, or not the snowstorm, the rain. But yes, no teams impacted by this. That's good. So thank you guys so much for joining in. Good stream, bro. Bye. Thank you so much for the good stream. I wish the FP3 totals were right. I would be getting like a foot of snow. Only downside, my dad has to work Monday and power might go out. Well, either if that model is not right, they can still get power outages because the ice. For some reason, my computer will not move screens, even though I am. I don't know if it's just... Do you guys see my screens moving? Do you guys see it? Because it doesn't show up my... I'm currently moving all my tabs, but it's not showing it moving on my computer, so I don't know. It's not moving. Yeah, I do not know why. I think it's just how long my phone's been alive. I just want to say thank you guys so much. I might do a live later today. I'm not sure because screen may be froze. You might as well end it. Yes, that's what I was gonna do right now. But hope you guys had a wonderful day. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I just want to say thank you guys for joining. Not many people joined. I think only like 10 or 12 people maximum. So, you know, that's kind of bad compared to some people, but I just want to thank you guys for joining. You probably guys didn't like it, but I will try to fix my screen and all that. But I just want to thank you guys so much for joining, and you guys really did support me. I didn't have that much people until you guys came, so hopefully we can get 300 subscribers, and thank you guys so much, and yeah, just bye.